Hey guys, let's go trade. Where's my fidgets? What? What does this say? Get a wacky track with this. With a rainbow puzzle ball? Okay. Just leave that there. Okay, let me just go to the trading hub. Okay, so let's go trade. Okay. Trading this rainbow puzzle ball going once. Oh wait, please, I want to trade. Okay, what's your offer? I'll give you this phone holder, which is a wacky track, and this wacky track snapper. Oh gee, yes. Thank you. Okay guys, let's put this. Oh wait. It's gonna tick right there. Okay. Scam someone with this? Okay, let's go. Okay. Trading this phone holder, legendary, wacky track, ultra rare, rare, godly, angely. Yeah, going once. Me. I'll offer you this. That's basketball. I'm sorry, but you really need to add. But this water timer. Seriously, this is worth for like 4 puppets. Okay, I'll give you these 4 puppets. How about this color changing needle? Can you add one more thing? Yeah. How about this squishy? Is that okay? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna accept. I finally get a legendary one. And those are all my fidgets. Oh, gee. Haha, no trade backs. Okay, guys, let's go back. Oh my goodness, guys. Put this in here. Guys, I got a tick, and it says now, get 3 small fidgets. Okay, then. Let me go trade. Okay, I think I'm going to be trading my needle. Trading color changing needle, going once, going. OMG, me please. I can add this. Do you have 3 small fidgets? Because I really need it. And I will accept. This is my dream, so yes. Okay, I'll add these. This, just found this. And there's a finger pressure ring. And this, from a simple dimple, it's broken. Okay guys, let's put this back. Wait a second. Okay. It says, draw a needle on this piece of paper. Okay, let me just draw a circle. Okay, I draw a needle. Oh, you got a tick. Go check now. Yes, all my fidgets are here now. Yes. Bye, guys. Please, subscribe, like this video, and, put on the notification bell. Bye, guys.